So if you ever stuck on the loading percentage when you are enhancing the voice of your raw video in CapCut, then the first way to do is you want to delete the raw video right here at the editing section. You want to choose on the video and delete it. And also you want to delete the video right here on the imported section at the top left of your screen. Just click on delete. And then you want to quit your CapCut application. Just click on quit. And then you want to make sure you are quitting your CapCut application. So just click on quit. And after that, you want to open again your CapCut application. And then you want to click right here on the create project. So you don't want to choose based on your recent project that you just deleted before. So click on create project. And then you want to import again your video that you want to enhance. And again, you want to drag it to your editing section. And then you can just start to enhance the voice of the video. So it should be fix your problem. But if this method doesn't work for you, then the second method is to split your raw video into 2 or 3 minutes times. So for example, if you have 6 minutes long of the video, then you need to split your raw video right here at the editing section into 3 parts. Right here, just click on split. And then if you have 10 minutes of raw video, you need to split it into a 5 part. Again, just click on split. But if your raw video is an hour long or even more than that, to save your time, you can just split your raw video into 5 or 6 parts. The point is to splitting the raw video to make the CapCut enhancing the voice over and over again. And then, if this method doesn't work either, then you want to restart your devices. And don't forget to delete all of your video in the editing section and also the imported section, like we do before, and then restart your own devices. And then, some quick tips from me, if you ever want to enhance the voice of the video, but also isolating the voice of the video, so you want to choose on isolating the voice first, and then choose on enhance voice later, because sometimes when I do enhance the voice first, and isolate the voice on the second, usually the bug on stuck on some percentage when isolating the voice or enhancing the voice will appear. So you want to avoid it. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to fix stuck on loading percentage when enhancing the voice on CapCut. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.